Hello, welcome to Torque and Throttle. Today we are going to learn how to install an LED Tubelight. You need a 20-watt LED Tubelight, a wire cutter, electrical tape, a Phillips screwdriver, electrical tester, electrical wire for extension. Let's get started. Find the proper place to install the LED Tubelight. I'm going to install the LED Tubelight in the roof of the car park. First, carefully remove the cover of the bulb holder. Carefully unscrew the bulb holder using flathead screwdriver. Carefully unscrew the bulb holder using flathead screwdriver. Now carefully unscrew the positive wire and negative wire and remove the bulb holder. Now carefully unscrew the positive wire and negative wire and remove the bulb holder. Now carefully connect the new extension wire to the positive wire and negative wire tightly. After connecting the positive wire and negative wire tightly, fix IT to the light holder. After connecting the wire, now carefully route the wire to the tube light location. Now carefully connect the positive wire and negative wire to the LED tube light and use electrical tape. Use electrical tape and mount the LED tube light carefully. Now it's finally time to test the LED tube light.
Thank you for watching. Please consider to like, share, and subscribe.